Hey everyone, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook Nigerian fried rice using brown rice. The ingredients you'll need are brown rice, I'll be using basmati brown rice, mixed vegetables, I'll be using frozen vegetables, mushrooms, vegetable stock, onions, bell peppers, spring onion, seasoning of choice, and garlic and ginger paste. The full list of ingredients are listed in the description box below. The first thing we need to do is thoroughly wash the rice under cold running water. Cook the rice in vegetable stock on a low-medium heat until the rice is cooked. Brown rice typically needs 1 extra cup of water to cook, so use a ratio of 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of stock. Once the rice is cooked, set it aside. Whether you're using fresh or frozen vegetables, steam them for no longer than 3 minutes. We don't want to overcook the vegetables and we want to retain their bright, vibrant colour. Once the vegetables are steamed, take them off the heat and set them aside. Thinly slice washed mushrooms and drizzle a little olive oil and all-purpose seasoning over them. Either bake the mushrooms in an air fryer for 20 minutes at 180 degrees or bake them in an oven. Baking the mushrooms gives them a nice texture and ensures they don't get soggy when they're added to the rice. Once they're baked, set them aside. In a pan, fry a chopped onion in a little oil for about 5 minutes. Add the garlic and ginger paste and cook for a further 3 minutes. Click the link on this video for the recipe for the paste. Add the sea salt, thyme, curry powder, all-purpose seasoning and black pepper and cook for about 3 minutes. Add the bell peppers and cook for about 4 minutes, then add the steamed veg and baked mushrooms. Gradually add the cooked rice and combine all ingredients together. Cook for about 3 minutes and serve. Thank you as always for watching and supporting this channel, and be sure to like the video, share it and subscribe. Peace and blessings, and see you in the next video.